Hey guys, I'm playing Speed 1-4. I made a Roblox account. Let's not get glitched. Stand luck. Is it in the camera? Yep, it's just oh, let's go faster. Let's go faster. I can go up this. That's kind of easy. It's charging now. Okay. How is it? Go inside it. Now we get the next level. The yellow thing's the one that hits fast. Okay. Oh yeah, you can YouTube video too. So you can even do it. You don't have to be on YouTube. You know you did something so it's not do YouTube. So they would have to post video. So this is probably not. Once I want to put a candy prices on the second one. Oh, well, again. I did it again. Yeah. Oh yeah, I won the trip. It works every week. You just jump on the and then you can try to get back on the first. I got it. Oh, this is hard. I keep getting a bunch of achievements. I got it. That goes. Oh, it's one easy. Let it go. That's it. It's inside. Whoa, whoa. No, it doesn't work. I think they took that update to that. There's a glitch so you can just jump. On the floor and random jumps and then you get killed. So I'm gonna walk and you have to climb up. That was awesome. I think they're just wasting time. Whoa! Yeah! I died. Like 10 more minutes. Because there's something over here that has a timer on the calendar for 3 minutes. It does. It stops, so you have to make sure you look at the timer as much as you can when you stop. Oh. And by the way, I'm really trying to another screen recording. That's a stone. It just says that there. That's just the one. It's not. It's probably gonna look bad. Whoa! What? It's fair. Oh yeah, you can do this too. I died. I died. I died. I died. I did, but I died. I died. I died. No more 16. No more. 4. What's 9? Whoa. Fly to the sky. I'm going at it. On my feet like a tip. I can't be quiet. I don't care if it's in the house. Oh, well, I died again. But yeah, I got another. I'll show you in a second. I'm gonna play a different game after this, but I'll show you.
Cannon, baby, let's go.
Do I die once? That's my old account. I spent roblox on it, so it looks awesome. Okay, I'll show you now. This is my old account. This nothing's new. And let's go here. Need a former custom, but if I get onto that, I'll make sure I put it on here. Yeah.
I got a cannon.
So it's people and it's capital D A M P, capital N and cola. Yeah, that's me. This is what I look like. I look like. Look at me. That's supposed to be crystals. And put that on. I have a lot of other stuff. Get me. I look great. No, I know. Oh yeah, this is my friend Eric E-Bomb 512. Are you deaf too? Stuff like that. Oh yeah, Tim Diaper Brains too. That's Eric too. Same exact one. It's just the account got lost.
I know how to use the
But I'm gonna try to get over. Bye. Never mind, but let's play another game. Let's play good games. It's another one of my favorites. I'm gonna play hide and seek. I never played this even on my old account. Try. I think I played this. No, once a billion played though.
And he is not gonna break his promise.
I don't care. Play. Open. Upgrading. Okay, it's not gonna take too long. Yeah, well, it's for Xbox. I think they should make Roblox for the PS4 because if they put it on the Xbox, they can put it on the PlayStation. They have the same exact controls on the PlayStation.
But if no one's watching us, they'll definitely watch us.
Yeah.
I
Oh yeah, Level Gaming Management. Okay, I'm gonna change the name to Level Gaming. It. Oh, He's it. Get the knife.
Yeah. Very good.
I need to go. I need to go.
What?
I want to check what people are hiding.
I know. Just dance. Let's dance for the people. Let's go.
Look at her. She's really super slow. Here. Ooh, that's a great hiding spot. Get. I don't know. Oh, no. They won't be able to get on.
Nothing.
I hope I'm it. I want to be the clown, please. Yeah. There's 13 people. That's 5. That's 8. There's 8 more people. I won't be able to get them. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're finished. You're dead. Game ended. It. Unicorn cupcakes. 17, 16. Ethan's bed on. Okay, who's it? Trumpet geek. What? I was just 2 squares away. I don't know. We only have 1 minute to hide. You. Hey, I want to cry.
Oh, supply drop is right there. People! People!
I
People!
yells when I see people.
No!
I died.
No! No!
It's terrible.
Don't. Oh!
Find secret hiding.
Shit.
Go on, I'm making. Ooh, perfect hiding spot.
Shit.
Oh. It's perfect. You can see. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. No way.
Alright. Where's your special place that you usually go?
No.
That no one goes there?
Yes.
Get ready.
Oh, he's getting closer. Don't follow. Oh, no.
I'll tell you later. After this game. Do you have Switch? No. I'll tell you later.
Yes. I'm gonna win.
Twinsies!
Can I hide some more? Big one. When you do it, he doesn't wanna know. Oh, bye guys. Like, subscribe. Bye. I'll tell you.